Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. We bought this around a week. I just want to share my experience about this item. As you can see, it's beautiful, and here we have a button here and you can adjust the temperature. As you can see here, when just you adjust temperature and put the start button, it show heat. And other one is the hold button. When you hold this one, after the water or coffee tea inside it go to this temperature, it keep it warm until 2 hours. It's not more than 2 hours, just 2 hours. Here it's a mute, and you can change centigrade to Fahrenheit. This is the centigrade. The maximum is 212 Fahrenheit and 100 centigrade. You can see it's just start to warm. I just want to cancel it. If the cancel, this is alarm is go disappear. This is the active. This is the going to be heat. To be honest, this is the beautiful, is fine, it's good. The more bad point of this, you cannot input. You can also input the tea inside. You should put the tea inside the tiny metal things and then add to the water, and the max water is come from until here. You know, it's dark, you cannot see, but yes, you can give max. And yes, because you cannot add the actual tea when you want to use the tea or coffee, all of them go to the bottom. When you want to add to your cup, all the tea or coffee stuff come from through this, and sometimes little bit blocked but not actual blocked. Because of that reason, it's better than use some metal and put inside the coffee or in the bag. Put in the bag, metal bag, put it inside this, or use some tea bag or coffee bag. The handle is good. I'm just going to share the bottom of this. You can see it's include the tiny stuff. Here it's made by silicone, and cable is long enough to connect. Totally, we are happy to have this, but price is a little bit expensive, and maybe they should be add some color around it when you turn it on, just to include the color here. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.